Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. So this device doesn't have a Bluetooth model inside, so if you want to enable Bluetooth, you'll have to use an external Bluetooth adapter, which usually looks like this. It's pretty cheap, and the one I'm using, let me show it closer to you. The one I'm using is from TP-Link. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, and to use it you have to simply insert it in the empty USB slot and then go into settings. So open the start menu, go into settings, then select Bluetooth and devices. Then select add device, then select a Bluetooth device, and before you do that, make sure that your device is Bluetooth device is in pairing mode and discoverable. Unfortunately I'm unable to tell you how to do that because each Bluetooth device has different options, different ways to do that. So just click Bluetooth. And once, if your device is in pairing mode and discoverable, you'll see it on the list. So let me connect my headphones or earphones to this laptop. Simply click on it and wait until it's connected. And that's how you connect a Bluetooth device to your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.